Hi everyone. We are going to start a new writing project today. I'm pretty excited about it. So this is going to be pretty open-ended. So you're going to have a lot of opportunity for choice, and you can also certainly write more than one thing if you would like to. So today we're just going to be brainstorming topics. So your objectives are, or your targets are, I can list and discuss my interests and hobbies and connect them to possible writing topics. And I can list and discuss books or genres I love and connect them to possible writing topics. So here's our agenda. So at 1 o'clock, I'll start with the model, and from 1:10 to 1:20 you're going to have time to write, and it's just going to be brainstorming, so that's why it's only 10 minutes. And then from 1:20 to 1:30 we'll be sharing and gallery walk. So I'll start with my model. So here is what I have so far, and I'm going to do one when we're in class as well. So I thought about some interests and hobbies, and some of my interests are traveling, dogs, and cooking. So here are some possible pieces that could connect to that. So for traveling, maybe I would write an adventure about a famous place I visited before. And the example is the Tower of Pisa. That would be kind of a cool place to have an adventure. It needs to be somewhere that you've been, because that way you know what it looks like. You know what kinds of things are in the environment, so you can add lots of detail. I like dogs. I have a dog. So I have a couple of options there. I could do how to care for a dog, so that would be like a how-to, or how I got my dog, which is more of a story. And then cooking with or for a famous person. One of my favorite people to follow is Jose Andres, and he has some restaurants in DC. And I follow him on Instagram, and I watch his videos every day. So he would be somebody that I would love to cook with, because he's just a lot of fun and he's a great cook. His restaurants have delicious food. Then on the right side of my chart, my table, I have favorite genres and books and possible pieces to go along with that. So obviously, I love Harry Potter, so a possible piece could be Wizard School. I love realistic fiction because I like stories that could really happen in real life as much as I like fantasy. I like that too. Some of my favorite realistic fiction books are Ringer, Hoot, and Charlotte's Web. And so maybe all of those stories feature someone saving an animal or a group of animals. So that could be a possible piece that I could write. And then finally, I have historical fiction. And I really love reading about the past and things that happened, and learning about characters that could have been real but aren't real. So I love thinking about what it would be like to spend the day with a famous person from history, and what kinds of things maybe we would do. So, going back in time and meeting somebody who was really important, like Harriet Tubman or someone like that. Probably wouldn't be very fun. She didn't have much of a fun life, but you can see what I mean. And then again, everybody has their own slide. And what you can do after class, after you finish, is you can click on your slide and you can make a copy. So make a copy of it, just your selected slide, and then you can add it to the assignment so that you have your list of ideas in your assignment the whole time. So again, we can go over that in class as well, but I just wanted to give you a quick orientation. All right, so I will see you soon, and I can't wait to hear about your ideas. All right, bye.